there were so many, number one, so many. Every day was a memorable moment, really. But I think one of the things that was really special was going to the Losar caves and Gompa. You know, they are not so well visited, and when I was there, I was the only person there, so I was very, very fortunate to be able to go into the Losar Gompa by myself and to sit and to meditate, which was really wonderful. And just to see the caves was just unbelievable, to see how they had made these caves that were like huge apartment buildings from inside. I mean, you know, many floors and rooms and just amazing. And then at the Losar Gompa, it's 3 main rooms. And each one, inside the rooms, there's a stupa that's been built. There's the main stupa in one, which is the stupa is phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. And in the middle cave, there's like the Gompa, so the shrine room, which was just beautiful. The paintings were just amazing, so beautiful in every way, you know, just these huge sentinels, you could call them, looking down over us that were formed by the wind and the rain and water were just unbelievable, really unbelievable. Hi, I'm Diane Donovan. I'm a regular client of Jalwant's and Crystal Mountain Cave. I'm from Canada and I currently reside in the Cayman Islands. Well, I will be back in September and I hope to do it. I'm here actually for 3 months in September, and I hope to do a trek to Langtang towards the end of October. I'm really looking forward to that, and of course Crystal Mountain Treks will be organizing it for me, and so yeah, I just can't wait to be back again. Crystal Mountain Treks have been such a fabulous company for me. They always take extremely good care of me, and in my groups as well. They have, you know, from the moment we land, they're there to greet us. All the hotels and lodges that they book have been really, really fantastic. Jalwant is just, he's become a good friend over the years because he's just always wants to make sure that every single person's needs are being met. I really like Crystal Mountain Treks because also they include everything. You don't have any surprises with them. You know, all the permits are included, the entrance fees to places are mostly included. It's so wonderful to think that, you know, you arrive, you've paid for your trip, and basically the only thing you have to keep in mind is any personal spending, and that's it. It's wonderful. And I think the thing that's really touched me most about Nepal, no matter where I have gone, from Lumbini, Chitwan, Upper Dolpa, to Upper Mustang, and all the places in between, Everest, the thing that has always touched me most is the hospitality of the people. I really find the hospitality and the acceptance of the Nepalese people, of foreigners, to be so touching and so wonderful. So thank you to all the Nepalese. Thank you, thank you, thank you. No, I definitely cannot sing any Nepalese songs. My good friend Manos, though.